Hello there, friends. This is Sam from Sam Munoz Consulting. In this video, we are going to be walking through how to hide any part of a Divi template. So whether you have downloaded one of our effortless web kits, such as the Claire, which we see here, or you found a Divi template somewhere else online or within the Divi library, there might be an instance where you want to hide a piece of that template, but not necessarily delete it forever. So for example, if you have the Claire and you don't want the as seen on section, you can actually hide that both using the Enable Visual Builder, the front end side of things, or on the back end. So this video will walk you through how to do it from either direction, but essentially this allows you to hide a section without completely getting rid of it, so that in the future, if you would like to unhide it, you actually can do that. So what we'll do is we will do this first from the front end through Enable Visual Builder. So click on that first. Okay, so once the Visual Builder has loaded, you can come down to the section or module or row that you want to hide. So in this case, we're going to hide the As Seen On section. So what we'll do is we will come over to this block here, and we will click on it, and we will go to the gear icon. So this will allow us to access the settings for that particular row, section, or module. From here, we will click on Advanced, then we will come to Visibility, and then Disable on the phone, tablet, and desktop. What that will do is it'll gray this out on the editing view, and when you go ahead and publish this by clicking on that purple 3 dots and then going to save, we can see that now when you load the page, that section will not be there. It will be hidden from view. So we can scroll down and we see that where it was here is now gone, which is awesome. So this again allows you to hide it and not display it until you're ready to actually show that section. Now I also wanted to show you from the back end. So if you're not a person that likes to use the Visual Builder editor side of things, you can actually do this through the Edit Page section. So I'm going to re-add it in, and then we're going to edit the page from the back end. So this is just personal preference. I personally love to use the backend editor. I like to use the wireframe. I think it's a little bit easier to see everything. And you can always toggle back and forth between the two. It's kind of up to you. But I'll come down to the section where I have the As Seen On. So I can click on this gear icon. You'll see it's the exact same controls and everything. So click on the gear icon, click on Advanced, click on Visibility, and then disable it on each of these sections. So now it's hidden, and I can click Update, and it will update and hide that from view for everyone who is visiting this page. Now, if you are ready to unhide that section, so now you're like, yay, I've got some things that I can now show as seen on, or whatever. Again, this can be used for literally anything on your Divi template. You can come over to section settings and just do the reverse. So click on Advanced, click on Visibility, uncheck it from every section, click on the check mark, and then there you have it. Now that section will be visible again. And that's it. So to hide, to unhide, that is how you do it. It's all within that section, row, or module settings, visibility, check all those boxes, and you're done.